What's good with y'all? You feel me? It's your boy Rant. You know what I'm saying? I really just want y'all to just see what's going on in life and shit. And I just want y'all to see how my day go and shit. Today is Thanksgiving. But my man ain't cooked yet. You know how y'all know how I be when you ain't eat yet. So you just want to eat a little snacky snack. Yeah, basically, my Dukes ain't cooked yet. She ain't make the eat. She ain't made the eat. She ain't made, well, you know, the din. So I'm just like, I'm hungry as hell. I'm not waiting for no fucking food to be made. And I should've, and I'm just kind of being impulsive, bro. I'm kind of like not thinking. You
had the 10-piece?
I asked for the, what kind of, so y'all got some honey mustard? But anyways, y'all, you know, today we just about to be eating. I'm about to just show y'all me eating the Thanksgiving pre-eats. That's what we gonna call this video, Thanksgiving pre-eat / mukbang. I'm just posting some shit. You know what I'm saying? I really don't be doing, like, usually on Thanksgiving, I don't eat early in the day. I feel like that's like a rule that we don't do in the black community, just in no community. Fuck the black community. We don't do that shit in no community. We don't eat before Thanksgiving. See, everything closed. But today I'm breaking that curse. Yes, I'm breaking it. I got some Mickey D's, I got some McDonald's out of everything I could have got though. You feel me? Just cause a young nigga hungry though. I could be hungry, bro. You know, tell these mamas and aunties and grandmas start cooking earlier, bro. Grandbaby is hungry. But alright, yo, we made it back to the crib. I got the motherfucking pre-eats, you know what I'm saying? I really, like I said, you're not supposed to eat before Thanksgiving. You're not supposed to eat early in the day before Thanksgiving, bro. It's like, I feel like this shit is some like a rule. Like this is like you damn near doing a ritual or some shit, like a bad ritual on yourself when you eat early in the day. Yo, I really don't celebrate Thanksgiving. I don't celebrate like these holidays and shit. You know what I'm saying? I only be ready to eat. I just be trying to eat, bro. That's all it is. So all I want to do is eat. I don't even worry about like nothing else besides eating, bro. Cause it's like, why else care about this damn holiday, bro? I really don't understand why. Bro, I asked for a 10-piece, bro. Okay, this is a 10-piece. This is a 10-piece. You know what I'm saying? Pre-Thanksgiving eat. Only a big bout. I didn't even say, y'all, I've been recording for 31 days straight. Yeah. I got a banger dropping today. I mean, a banger getting recorded today. I want to make sure I'm going to post at least once today. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to at least post once a day to keep your traction going, bro. I've been going for 31 days straight. And overall, it's been cool, you know. I ain't really come out here to talk to y'all niggas about nothing, bro. I just wanted to cut the camera on, talk my shit, yap a little. You know how we get, but I had to let y'all know. Aunties, please stop cooking late in the day, bro. We don't want to keep having to wait till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock to eat. We want to eat early. Wake up. I want y'all to be up all night cooking. Yes, all night. I want y'all to cook. Start at yesterday or 2 days ago. Call off work and be cooking for 3 days straight. Cause we need to eat Sunday morning, bro. I don't want to wait till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock no more, bro. I got shit to do, bro. This shit I gotta occupy. I got this shit out here I gotta do.